Welcome back to Presentation Perfect. Today I'll be showing you how to make this creative X-Men theme character rotation presentation using the Morph transition. So let's get started. Here I've got 10 PNG images of the characters lined up side by side. You can source the exact same images online from platforms such as PNG Wing, which I've linked in the description. First, I'm going to select them all, then head over to Picture Format and change their color to blue. Move them down like this. Next, change the background to whatever color you like. Now we're going to insert a rectangle vertically like this. Make sure it's center aligned. Then send to back, ensuring the characters appear over the shape. Next, insert your text. I'm using Montserrat semi-bold, which is a free Google font you can download online. I'm also going to change the character spacing to very loose. I'm toggling on text shadow as well. Now I'm going to fill in the rest of the text. I've listed all the fonts and colors used in the description. I'm making these stat bars for aesthetic purposes. You can add something of your own if you wish. Select both shapes and hit Ctrl-G to group them. Adjust the size and position of the bar, and then hit Ctrl-D to duplicate it. I'm also going to group both the text boxes on both sides of the slide to make them easier to work with. The next step is to reposition the characters like this and enlarge the one you want to bring into focus. Then just go back to Format Picture and switch it back to its original color. Adjust the size and position of all the elements on the slide. For a more dynamic effect, I'm going to add a drop shadow to the image. Just go to Picture Format, Picture Effects, Shadow, and then Shadow Options. Adjust the setting to your liking, or as I'm doing here. Once you're happy with the slide, duplicate it and begin working on the remaining characters. All I'm going to do is select the image and use the Format Painter tool to apply its properties to the next character I want to bring into focus. In this case, it's Cyclops. Likewise, I'm going to select one of the blue characters and apply its properties to Rogue. This will save us time rather than have us apply all the effects manually. Now I'm just going to place her back into the character select line and clear up space for Cyclops in the center. Next, simply swap out your text and adjust everything to your liking. Then duplicate the slide again and repeat the process. Make sure that when you shrink the focus image down to size, it's positioned where you left it before. Maintaining the sequence will result in a smooth rotating effect when we apply the morph transition. For this tutorial, I'm showing just 4 Xmen, so I'm ending the character slides with magic. You can continue for as long as you like based on the number of images you've picked. Also, let me know in the comments who your favorite Xmen character is. Choosing one for the thumbnail was tough. Now I'm going to show you how I made the title slide. All you have to do is right-click and select Format Background. Then select Gradient Fill and pick Radial in the type options. Now select 2 different shades of blue for the gradient sliders. Next, insert an orange rectangle. Adjust its size and position. Then duplicate the shape and rotate it 90 degrees left. Select the 2 and group them. Adjust the position and you're done. Now apply the transitions. For the first character slide, I'm going to apply the fly-through. Then select the remaining slides and select the morph transition. And there you have it, a dynamic character bio presentation animated in PowerPoint. If you like this tutorial, please consider supporting the channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, and dropping a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next. And if you're looking for more PowerPoint tricks, be sure to check out some of my other tutorials.